Hey friends, if the Windows 11 settings or your Windows settings is not opening or not working, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So several times that you are trying to open the settings of your Windows, you click on the start button and then click on settings and this is not opening, then here's what we can do. In the Windows search bar, type here CMD. We are going to run a command in order to repair the whole computer or repair the system files. So click on run as administrator in the right pane. Then here type sfc space forward slash. It's sfc space forward slash scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between, and just hit enter. Now this process will take some time, so we just need to wait for this process to be completed. Once this is done, just simply type exit and then hit enter and then make a restart of your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Next method is in the Windows search bar, type here settings. We cannot open this, but in the right pane you have to click on app settings. Now background component permissions, make sure that you are not going to choose never. It could be always or power optimized. Scroll down and you'll find repair. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Once done repaired, then click on if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted. Click on reset and click on reset button once again. And once done, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.